You can see the other spillway on the other side.
Oh, look at that. Look
Okay,
at that.
here the head's the other spillway.
That's a good one.
Alright. And there's a diversion. Some of you can only see one of them, but the other one is on the other side, alright? So there's two on this side, two on the opposite side, right? Two facing us and two on our back side. So they do boat charters here too, boat cruises. They start from Lake Mead, they come all the way around, bring the people and take pictures of the diversion tunnels as well in the boats. They also have dinner cruises. They do dinner cruises that leave Lake Mead as well. So we're going to work our way back to the Nevada side, and then our next stop will be the Lake View Overlook. So you get a better view of Lake Mead itself, how much water we've been losing. See, if you look at the water line, the water level, at the full capacity, it's normally about 1,220 feet. But like I was saying, we're in a 19-year-old drought. We're still in a drought as of today. So the water level has dropped down to 1,084 feet. Alright? Leaving us with 136 feet that we lost already. So I think it's a little more lower than that. Maybe 180 or something like that, maybe less. According to the reclamation or the water reclamation, they were saying that if it keeps on dropping down to 1,000 to a level 1,075 feet, all of the states will be on a water alert or what you call restrictions. You see the Nevada, California, Arizona, and New Mexico. All right. So just by looking at the structure around the Hoover Dam itself, guys, can you imagine all of this material was from Black Canyon itself. Nothing was imported or exported or bought from another place. So they had turned all the materials into sand and turned into the right size of rock to become aggregate for the concrete. So everything, all the material they use is from this area. Very genius. Mr. Frank Crow is a very genius guy. Especially with the machinery that they have to work with during that time, you know. Alright guys, so they talked about the 7 western states that share the water rights. And what are the states? Anybody? Nevada, California, New Mexico, Arizona, Colorado, Utah, and one more, Wyoming, right? Oh, you guys been paying attention, huh? Well, then you guys hear me say something earlier. Yeah, so the water comes up from Wyoming back down. So before the water actually comes from Wyoming or Yellowstone, it has to come from somewhere else. So I think part of it is still coming up from maybe out from Canada or somewhere. All right, guys. I'm going to do more research because I'm puzzling now.
Oh yeah. Ang ipadala ni Robbie.
So this guy is the what? High.
Ang ipadala Robbie.
A high roller. I see the right. You have to be high to be working on these bridges.
You have to be.